Welcome back to the DIY Del Sol restoration project brought to you by Resin Auto Co. In the last episode, I showed you the results I got from my first rattle can spray paint job that I did on the Del Sol's front bumper. In this episode, I'm going to paint the replica Mugen front lip that I bought off of eBay. While I sand this front lip and prep it for primer, let's talk about eBay parts. These aftermarket parts need to be sanded really well in order for the paint to adhere to their surface, so make sure that you really get into the curves and hard to reach areas like the holes in the front sides. After I scuffed and sanded the front lip, I cleaned it with isopropyl alcohol and then I let it dry before I sprayed the primer. This is the primer that I used. For small stuff like this, it's great. I have this and all the other products that I used in order to DIY restore this car in a build sheet, which you can get a copy of for free in the link in this video's description. I let the primer cure overnight and I sanded it the next day. I then cleaned it again with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry before I sprayed the white base color. While the white was still tacky, I added the green pearl from Custom Cans. You can get some really good results with this stuff, you just have to use enough of it so that you can see it. Also, in case you're wondering, yes, I did ruin my sandals from painting in them, and yes, it took a few days to get all the paint off of my feet. It was hot and I live in Florida, so it is what it is. Anyways. Alright, so this is the Mugen style, basically replica, front lip for the front bumper. And over here, the paint didn't get as good a coverage as what I would have preferred. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and recover that area, and also the green didn't really come out as good as I would have preferred, so I'm probably just going to sand it, shoot it with like a light coat of white to start over fresh, and then put the green on there and then clear coat it. So let's do it. Don't be afraid if you don't like how something came out to sand it down and repaint it. Everyone makes mistakes, and that's how you learn and become an expert, by trial and error. I ended up really enjoying the painting process, and I learned a whole lot by fixing my mistakes. By the time that I got the turbine system, I was pretty good at painting, and I got some pretty amazing results. Alright, it just started raining. Anyway, this is all nice and done now. Wow, you can see that. That looks great. Look at that. Oh my god, it looks so good. So this is the front bumper lip, and now it has that nice green color shift to it. This is coming out so awesome. I'm gonna move this so that it can cure, and then we'll start on the side skirts and then the spoiler.